To help apply our platform in a career, our team started to run vocational training programs in Hangzhou. We reached an agreement with the Community Disability Employment Center. Alibaba Group, our local partner, immediately joined us. The three parties signed a contract to facilitate the training. For the first part, we chose e-commerce. The team recruited students among our platform users and hired visually challenged e-commerce business owners with a monthly income of over 10,000 as teachers and design training classes.
Additionally, we have developed a model of e-commerce brokerage to help run online shops, seeking right of goods, and creating distribution channels. We are targeting the absence of stable checking system in regular training, which results in lack of responsible personnel when the visually impaired are actually employed at a later stage. The team will take 3% of the turnover as a management fee to sustain the service.
Alibaba provides volunteers an annual funding of 50,000 yuan in the Green Channel for disabled entrepreneurs. The Provincial Disability Employment Center is in charge of